Their offices are modest, but this team of engineers and designers in San Francisco is working on a bold goal.
Rev exists to design and deliver quality healthcare products for underserved populations.
Brilliance Pro is Rev's $400 phototherapy device. First launched in India, it's an alternative to the $3,000 units used to treat newborns with jaundice.
You'd see babies being treated under the devices that had the burned out bulbs, but also you would see multiple babies in one device, which is not ideal too, because you want to have the children separated for sterilization.
For affordability and durability, Rev chose LEDs over compact fluorescents. They also ran optical modeling simulations.
One of the things we've been able to do is use less LEDs, more tightly control the wavelengths, and there's new lenses that are out so that we can have actually a very even spread of light.
If you're a doctor or nurse, you might need to move this panel as you're caring for the infant. Of course, that changes the intensity of the light, but Rev accounted for that. They added accelerometers that detect the position of the LEDs so that each one automatically adjusts, and the distribution of light is even across the baby's body.
As with medicine, it's crucial infants get the right dose of light therapy, so a light meter was added. To date, over 117,000 babies have been treated with Brilliance units. 99,000 of those wouldn't have received any treatment at all. Rev's latest product is a knee joint.
The Remotion knee is a polycentric knee for above-knee amputees. It's like a 4-bar mechanism that mimics your natural human gait.
The previous option, a single-access knee, swings much like a door hinge and is less stable. In the polycentric knee, the center of rotation moves, so Agung Putra of Bali can continue working as a contractor and supporting his family. And this Indian teenager can keep up with his friends. In the U.S., polycentric knees start around $400. Remotion sells for $80. Philanthropic grants help keep prices low. But Rev also credits its startup tendency of working efficiently. Bug fixes included sharp corners and edges that didn't look natural underneath clothing, and a distracting clicking sound.
Fabric can fall more smoothly over it. It also has this rubber bumper in it, so it doesn't make as loud of a noise.
Remotion has limitations. It's best suited for younger amputees since it's not as stable as other knees, and the maximum weight for users is about 80 kilos. Still, it's a good fit for many patients in Asia and Africa.
It has a wide range of motion, much wider range than most of the knees on the market, especially in Western societies. And the reason is that we saw with our users that they were squatting more, or they were bending in prayer, or they were kneeling. Many people need to ride a bike to get to and from work.
Since the knee launched in December 2015, 200 amputees have been fitted with Remotion. That's 200 people who can go on working, learning, living, one step at a time.